And today's find is another holy grail, a local Oregon, one owner, 2000 Ford F-250 extended cab, short bed, 7.3, 6-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, XLT with 113,000 original miles. So again, local, one owner, Oregon truck, 100% rust and corrosion free, clean title, CARFAX certified with 113,000 miles. Extended cab short bed is the hardest combination to find, and to find it with a 6-speed manual is just impossible. There it is. This truck is 100% stock. No modifications to it whatsoever. We just did a brand new 2.5-inch BILSTEIN leveling kit with BILSTEIN 5100 series shocks all the way around, front and rear, and upgraded the wheels and tires to a 33-inch BF Goodrich KO3s in a 10-ply rating, load ease, with a new set of RACELINE Rock Crusher 17-inch wheels. There's no modifications to the engine, transmission, any of that stuff. This truck has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck installed in it whatsoever. The bed of the truck is in new condition. There is no dents, there's no splitting, there's no issues whatsoever. This truck has never had a load of rock or anything that's dumped in it. It's as good as new. You do not find 25-year-old trucks this clean and this nice. Take a look at the jams. The undercarriage of this truck is literally in new condition as well. There is zero, and when I say zero, zero rust, zero corrosion. There's no peeling to the frame or the metal or any of that stuff. This truck has never been driven in mud or snow whatsoever. Believe it or not, this is the undercarriage of a 25-year-old heavy-duty truck, a Super Duty. Take a look at the bolts. The original tags. This is not real, but it is real. This truck also have a newer set of airlift rear load leveling airbags. I even put BILSTEIN 5100s on the rear, so no money was spared here between the wheels, the BFGs, the BILSTEIN 5100s. Did a fresh service on it, fresh oil change, air filter, new sway bar links, both of them. The previous owner just replaced the batteries, I think 6 months ago. We did new alignment, new door lock actuators, and a fresh AC charge and a coolant flush. The interior of this truck is in new condition as well. This gentleman ordered the truck with no carpet kit and ordered it with this vinyl floor. And has got it protected with these mats as well. And take a look at the floor. It's literally in new condition as well. The seats are in excellent condition. There's no rips, there's no tears, there's no worn spots at all. The cushions are not broken down or beat up. 6-passenger configuration. XLT, power windows, door locks, tilt, cruise, CD player, tinted windows, rear slider. The headliner is extremely clean. There's no rips or tears in it or cigarette burns. This is a non-smoker truck. Doesn't look like any pets has ever been here. There's zero odors. All the rubber and everything is intact with no rips, no tears, no chew spots. Take a look at the plastics. and the door cells, extremely clean. We'll go to the driver's side as well. I just happen to be standing here, so it's not that I'm avoiding it at all. You got extendable towing mirrors. Let's close this so we can do the test out. And then we'll talk back about the paint and the body outside, but since we got into the inside, let's finish the inside. Here's the driver's seat. Yes, this is the original 25-year-old driver's seat. When I say there's no broken down cushions at all, none. The owner had Carhartt seat covers on this that we had the detail shop remove, so it kept the interior literally like brand new. I noticed in the pictures, the angle, it looks like it's dirty, but it's not. It's just the angle of this color. There's no stains, there's no dirt, there's zero issues. Same goes with the rubber seals. They're in excellent condition. They're all intact. There's no rips, no tears. Let's get this thing fired up here. 6-speed manual 7.3. Just unheard of. $113,179 miles. And the lights on. Factory original stereo. That works excellent. Nobody has played with the electrical system on the truck at all. We got trailer brakes already there. There's your cup holders. Nothing broken. Cigarette lighter. Here's the ashtray. Never been used. 100% non-smoker. Take a look at the plastics and the dash on the inside. There's no scuffs, no discoloring, no cracks at all. Always serviced at the Ford dealer that sold it since new as well. Forgot to mention that. Never been used. Preserving it for you. Charging system excellent. As you can see, everything here. Horn works. There's the wipers. We'll go the next speed up. And we'll go to the fast. So that works. We'll turn the hazards on. We turn the lights on. We'll go check them outside. There's one finger, full lock. One finger, full lock. This thing drives super nice, super straight. There's no sloppiness in the steering wheel at all. Got cruise control. Let's test out the mirrors here and the windows. There's a driver's side window. Up and down. Let's go to the passenger side. The front windows are not tinted, same way they came from the factory. Now let's turn, let me zoom in on the mirror. Right, left, down, and up. And let's zoom back out here to the driver's mirror. Right, left, down, and up. So all the mirrors functioning. We did the inside here. What else? Take a look out there. We got running boards. Love the two-tone paint. Let's pop the hood. Take a look under the engine. But I'm gonna walk by here as well. When I say there's no rock chips, and I'm gonna point out anything that I see. This is the original paint that is in excellent condition. So that's one rock chip that needs to be touched up. I'll have the detail shop touch it up. Ooh. It's almost lost power. What I love about this, the mud flap since new, so it protected and preserved the bottom, and same as in the front. As much as I don't like the look of them, but take a look at this. Doesn't get any nicer. There we see the hazards are flashing and the brake lights, the tail lights are on. Got license plate bulbs are on. There's a hazard right here. Take a look at the hitch. Dried wax. There we go. Chrome bumper is in excellent condition. Little scratch right here on the plastic. That's about it. Tailgate is in excellent condition with a little scratch right here. There's a rock chip right here. Okay, that's just a speck of dirt. That's dried wax. Yeah, coming off. But that is how particular I am, and I try to point out everything. Take a look at this hood. There's a couple rock chips right here that have been touched up. There's no clear coat issues, peeling. There's a couple rock chips right here. Right. Nothing out of the norm. And let's not forget it's black, so to have 5, 6, 7 little tiny rock chips is nothing to be spoken about. Fresh, cool, and flush. There's the new batteries. There's our new battery. Original fenders. Take a look at these bolts. They have never been torqued or touched. There's a head insulation in excellent shape as well. Same goes here. These bolts have never been touched. Original body parts. And when I say it's a one owner Oregon truck, this was his pride and joy. Weekend we drove it. That is about it. There's no oil leaks whatsoever. He's gone through all the front suspension, the tie rods, and the track bars. This is why it drives so great. Because your headlights are on. And we did the complete walk around there. I think I didn't lift the rear seat on this side. So let's do that. I'm sure that there's a tire jack. Their slider is open. I do have all the original manuals, books for the truck right there. Let's test out the air conditioning. Forgot to do that. As you can see, there's no upgraded exhaust or tuners. We're inside the showroom. This is a Ford. Exhaust is on the passenger side. That is the passenger side mirror. I'm trying to show that there is no smoke or any of the issues. Now let's get the AC. There it is. It is blowing cold. Turn this up so we can go through here. It's way colder than what it's reading. Get it reset. We've got to be in the low 30s. I'm going to get to the right angle. I hate this laser. It is blowing super cold. You are going to have a nice cold summer in this truck. Got a fresh AC charge as well. Alternators charging, excellent. There's no issues. First gear, let's go reverse all the way in the corner. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is your low gear. And let me put this down here. Manual four-wheel drive actuator. What's that? Literally like brand spanking new. So, and let's test out spotlight. And I'll open the door, see the dome light on as well. So let's talk about, oh man, it's cold, the important stuff. Let's turn the light off. If you've been looking for the Holy Grail, you have found it. This is it. You won't find a nicer, cleaner one than this. 100% stock truck, unmodified. No upgraded intake or exhaust. This is for the purists that just want them all original. Whether you're collecting it or you just like it pure, this is it. Doesn't get much more than that. Only upgrade to the truck is a new 2.5-inch front leveling kit. So it retains all the factory suspension, doesn't change anything in your ride, just gives you the extra clearance of 2.5 inches in the front. We upgraded the shocks to BILSTEIN 5100s, none of that cheap stuff, or KYBs or the entry level. This is the top of the line BILSTEIN 5100s. You do have rear airlift load leveling airbags and rear BILSTEIN 5100 shocks. Also upgraded brand new 33-inch BFGs KO3s, new set of 17-inch RACELINE rock crushers. Fresh service, oil change, air filter, AC recharge, coolant flush, new door lock actuators, because that's a very common issue that goes out on these things. So it is ready to go. I can qualify this truck for new car financing, better than new car financing. What does that mean? That means that I can finance it up to 84 months. What does 84 months mean? That means it gets you the lowest payment possible. There is zero early payoff penalty. You can always pay more. And you don't have to go to 84 months. We can do 72, we can do 60 months, you can do 36 months. Whatever it is that you desire, that you can afford, that you want, but it's nice to have the option that you can go all the way up to 84 months. This is where it gets really nice, is I can finance this 25-year-old truck up to 84 months with a better rate than the rate you would get on a new truck. 84 months at 7.5% interest rate. No, your bank cannot do it, your credit union cannot do it, USAA, Navy Federal, no bank out there can finance this truck for this low of a rate, this long of a term, and for the full value of the truck, for the full price of the truck. This is a special program that I've created with my local bank. They know the value of these pre-emissions. They feel secured about financing them for what they're really worth, not what Kelley Blue Book or NADA says they're worth $10,000 or $8,000. So, with that being said, I can help you finance this truck, secure it, and get it into your driveway. We do everything remotely. I ship these trucks all over the country. We handle your titling, your registration, just as if you're buying it from your local dealer down the street from you. Number two, I can help you ship this truck. Whether you live in Canada, whether you live in Alaska or in Hawaii, if you're in New York, in Chicago, in South Dakota, in North Carolina, in Arizona, anywhere in the United States, they can help you and arrange shipping and ship it right from my showroom, right to your front door. I deal with shippers on a daily basis. I've been doing this for well over 25 years. I know how to vet the shippers. We only work with A+ rated shippers. We make sure they're insured, bonded. I will help you with this transaction until I get this truck to your driveway. No, this is not a scratch. This is my fingerprint. So, you've been looking for the Holy Grail, a 7.3 extended cab short bed in a manual, 113,000 original miles, local Oregon truck since new. You found it. Last one did not last 24 hours. Let's see how long this one will.